this is the movie Sniffles Gang. So bye. It's a beautiful day on the boathouse. There's no bad guys. The Militia's are back and the Sniffles Gang are all asleep. Sniffle Gang, alarm! Wheel! There's some bad guys outside. I get you, Militia foes. Ah! Boop, boop, boop. It's attacking the boat. Stop attacking the boat. Ah! Stop attacking the boat. No! Stop! Sniffles Gang alarm! Wake up, everybody! Ha, ha, ha. Oh no, there's baby treasure. Was in the treasure chest and that was meant to be delivered to the Sniffles Gang. Ha ha ha. Let's open this treasure chest. Let's open it. I got open. Thanks for doing that, Melissa's. We're going to take that. No, you don't have time out for that. Killing that really cute fishy.
Oh dear.
Bad guys. I can take your weapon. I'm going to take your weapon, bad guys. No, yeah. I got the bad guy's weapon. And I'm going to get your weapon. Yeah. And bad guys, you're going to go in the bad guy water flush down. Yeah. And that's it. Now he's safe with the Sniffles Gang. Oh no, the Militia's back.
Destruction.
Destruction. Gang won the battle. Oh yeah, let's party. Oh yeah, let's party. Is that right, Dolphin? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Thank you for watching my movie YouTube channel. Bye.